Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to set up cross-region replication in S3. Let's start by navigating to the S3 service, then click on Create Bucket. Give your bucket a name, and for AWS region, I'm going to leave it to US East 1. For cross-region replication, you must enable bucket versioning. Then click on Create. Next, let's create one more bucket, this time in US West 1 region, enable versioning, then hit Create. Let's go back to our first bucket, then navigate to the Management tab. Click on Create Replication Rule, then give it a name. For source, I'm going to select bucket 1 and apply this rule to all objects in this bucket. For destination, I'm going to select my second bucket in US West 1 region, and for IAM role, I'm going to say create a new role. Let's leave everything else to default, then hit save, then select no to replicate existing objects because the existing bucket is empty. To test this replication rule, I'm going to upload a test file in my bucket 1. Now, if I navigate to bucket 2 and give it a few minutes, I should see the test file replicated here. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.